Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. This tutorial is for the dance Spicy Margarita. It's choreographed by Fred Whitehouse and Jean-Pierre. It's a 32 count, 3-wall line dance. That's different, isn't it? Low intermediate. It does have 3 restarts. They each have a tag, and the restarts are what cause it to be a 3-wall dance. The restarts are at wall 2, 5, and 8, and we will get to that. All right, so I'm going to turn around. Let's get started with this tutorial. Stepping out with your right foot at a diagonal, step, tap, step, weave under, back, side, front. Quarter with your left foot, stepping back, quarter. Another quarter turn, which will get you to 6 o'clock, quarter. Cross the left, cross point, and rock. Now I'm going to give you that again with what counts. Starting out on 1 with the right foot at an angle, 1 and 2, weave, 3 and 4, quarter turn step back, 5, quarter turn step side, 6, cross your left and point, and 7, switch, and 8, and we're going to go on to and 1 right away. You're going to bring your left foot in, push your hip back on a diagonal, looks like this, and push, and you'll recover on 2. The reason I went on to that 1, 2, it really goes with the rest of it. You don't want to get stuck. I'm going to do it again at this wall, and I'll flip it so you can see. From the top, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2, weave 3 and 4, stepping 5, stepping 6 and 7 and 8, push 1, 2. Okay? What I'm going to do is turn it, I think I'll turn it this way so when I turn around you can see that last part. Okay? So we take it from here. We have 1 and 2, back 3 and 4, follow your right shoulder, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2. Okay? So we're going to go on to the second count of 8, which you've already started actually. We've pushed it, we're at 6 o'clock, we've gone 1, 2. Now from here, we're going to do a little samba, crossing, and we're going to get to the other corner. Cross, right, left, right. So we're basically facing 7:30. Little syncopated rocking chair. Left, right, left, right, left. You're going to hitch your right leg up, and sometimes you're going to go and 8, and sometimes if you want, with the music, you can go and 8. And I'll explain that. It goes with the music. Let's go over that again. So you've just gone 1, 2, crossing out, 3 diagonal, 4, rocking 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Turning it around so you can see that. It would have been 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? 2 weeks together. 5, 6, 7, 8, angle 1 and 2, a 3 and 4, quarter 5, open 6, step 7 and 8, rock back, 2, samba 3 and 4, a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Next count of 8, I'll stay facing you now, but I will flip it. We're going to do wizard or Dorothy. Your foot is up. So the timing is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. We step at an angle with our right foot, diagonal forward. 1, lock step. 2, and. Same on the left. 3, 4, and. Rock recover on an angle. 5, 6. Little bit of a paddle turn back, getting a quarter. My right foot's going to go paddle, step, paddle, step. Again at this corner, this side, with counts, and then I'll flip it. 7, 8, we have 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. That gets you to 9 o'clock. Okay? Turning my back so you can see it. We'll have just gone from here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6 and 7. Here we go. We go new part, 2, 3, 4, rock, recover, paddle up, paddle up. Okay? So, that's 3 counts of 8. We're almost there. We've just done the paddle, and we are at 9 o'clock. We're going to pony back. We're going to do a little hitch. We're going to go step and step, and that moves back. And the hitch leg comes up. Left foot does a mambo. Coaster. Back, together, forward. Forward, right. Half turn over your left shoulder and step. This is your new wall. You have 2 more steps, but we're going to turn it. Step back on the right. Step forward on the left. Final count of 8 one more time. Started at 9 o'clock. You just did your paddle, paddle, pony back, right hitch, right, coaster, step, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then it starts with 1 and 2. Okay, that count one more time. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. All right, let's take the dance from the top. We will do 2 walls, and the reason I can't do a third and a fourth is because we need to show you where the tags goes, which prevents you from doing 6 o'clock. The dance is never done at 6. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, Wizard or Dorothy, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to go again at this wall. Ready? And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, quarter, quarter step, point, push it back. 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Wizard, 2, 3, 4, rock, recover, paddle, paddle, pony to the back, coaster, step, half, turn, turn, turn. Okay, now the restarts happen at wall 2, wall 5, and wall 8. They happen at the same place, and they're really kind of easy to hear. The music changes, and the singer says, I don't feel no pressure, and you'll hear her say that, and the music changes. And every time she says that, that's setting you up for your restart. So the first restart will be here. This is the second wall, but you'll actually be facing here, because if we start the dance here, we take it from here. We have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 2 8s, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. And this is when you're going to hear him say, ain't nobody like, I make it look easy. And that's this. I make it look easy. I make it look easy. You can do a little brush on that. You'll hear it as you get to the music. And when you do that, and your leg is here, you restart the dance again. So the dance goes from here, bum, bum, bum. Okay? So this is wall 2. It restarts here, and she's singing, I don't feel no pressure, da da da. And then he says, I'll make it look easy. And then you start it again. We dance it here, and then what will happen is you will not get to this wall ever. It will always skip it the way it works. Every time you'll hear it with the music where the restart is, I promise. And that's when you'll hear him say, I make it look easy at the restart and in that next wall, he says it. So if you want to do the little shoulder brush to be cool with the music, you can do that. You can double clap it and just have fun with it like that. So hopefully it'll all make sense when we do it, where those restarts are. And of course, you can always stop and start and go back again. So we are going to get started, and I'm going to try this with some music. Song is spicy Margarita. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Take it over. Point, rock it back. So 1. Rock, recover, paddle. Point back. Coaster. your back. Get ready for your first restart. Make it look easy. Rock cover. Listen to the music. Here it comes again, right? Paddle back, here we go. 5, 6, make it look easy, start it again. Your other restart. Music, right? That tells you. Get ready. Start again. Last one. That was your third one. Perfect. Woo! All right. That's how you do spicy margarita. Hopefully you can start to hear, it gets really clear. That third restart, she's not singing there, but there's just 2 counts of 8 of music, and that keys you in too. The restarts are always going to be during this wall, and you restarted at this wall. So it does stay consistent like that. So there you go. So this is Spicy Margarita. I am Candy Sherwin. Thank you so much for subscribing, and if you haven't, please do so. Feel free to share this video and spread around, make some comments, spread it around, and I really hope that I will see you on the dance floor. Thanks so much.